What's up everybody, Bo is here. Just want to quick walk you through this van that I just finished, renovated. I gutted everything out from the inside and did the whole thing from inside out. So this is before, okay, and you're gonna see the after. So this is a 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 4-cylinder model. It's a 4-cylinder diesel turbo, and it's a 170 wheelbase. Let's take a look inside. Okay, you guys, first at the entrance, when you open the sliding door, this is sensor light. When you come into the van and it's dark at night, as soon as you open the sliding door, sensor light turns on. You can see, the area before you step in the van. And also there's also a swivel table right here, in case you wanna hang out right here, have table all around here, and you want chair around here, and then you want to put a table here just for the drink and food, snack and stuff. There's a lagoon table that attached to here. It swivels around as well. Okay, so this is crew van. As you can see, we got window on the sliding door and window on this side, and then the 3-seaters bench seat right here, 3 seat belts, and the passenger side is swivel, the seat is swivel. Okay, you can swivel it around, and then you can lean all the way back, and then you can relax it right here. You can another person can sleep on it or something, but you can put your feet all the way here. Okay, you guys, take a look at our dash right here, our cockpit. This one has the steering control, and it's got the backup camera, Bluetooth, navigation, everything here. Card reader, and also USB here. It's got some storage up here as well, and what else? It's got the driver comfort feature, armrest and everything. Okay, leatherette seat, very comfortable. Look at it, how new it is. So because this van we hardly use it, because it's always just sitting in the driveway, and when on the weekend sometimes we just take another van for the trip. So most of the time it's not being used. Take a look at the front here. Front ceiling here, we have 4 LED lights, got max air fan. This is 75 100K deluxe. Okay, remote control, fully featured. This one you can use even in the rain. Okay, overhead driver storage right here, huge. Okay, you can put your pillow, blankets, or whatever you put here. And cabinets, look at all these new cabinets. Okay, IKEA cabinet doors, very nice finish. The color of the oak color, this is yellow oak color. Look at that. Okay, supported by the air strut, gas strut. Okay, this is 9 inches deep, 13 by 14, 9 inches deep sink. Okay, you got a home style faucet here. You can take it and then swing it outside or wash whatever, but I'll show you another way for the water out there. But the counter, 30-inch plus another 16 inches here, extended counter. Okay, you got plenty of counter right here. And also the swivel seat, I'm going to show you later. It's gonna be it's gonna connect from, extend from here. You got plenty of tabletop space over here. Okay, our brand new shower, guys, 32 by 24, brand new shower, retractable door as well. Okay, knotless retractable shower door, and also the 7 feet stainless steel hose for the shower. You can take it outside shower you want to, if you don't feel like cleaning the shower after that. okay, and the thermostatic water mixer here, hot water mixer. Just set it to temperature you want, and you get the warm water, nice and warm water, okay. And the removable clothes hanger, when not in use, you know, go hiking or got all soaked in the rain, you can just hang it here when you're not taking a shower. Use it as a storage, you know, put your luggage in here, or just hang your clothes here. It will be dry, it'll be dry as you go. Okay, I thought it was just a little bit, but it's more than you know, a lot more features than I thought. Okay, so take a look at our mini control board here. The light switches for the ceiling, okay, the front and the back ceiling. There's two zones. Okay, you can just turn on the front or just turn on the back. And then 1, 2, 3 here are the roof lights. Okay, on the roof we have the flatline standard flatline low pro roof rack, okay, which holds 300 watts of solar panels, and each corner has the security light, two on each side, so the switches from here that turn on and off. Okay, our inverter switch right here. Okay, and then our single light here, just in case, you know, you don't want to wake up everybody to turn on all the lights and you need to use a sink. You can just turn this one on. Okay, you got the just light right here, and instead of waking everybody up. Okay, microwave, upgradable microwave here. This is a small microwave. This is I think it's 700 watt microwave. You can upgrade up to 1000 watt or 1100 watts microwave. Okay, still have plenty of room here, 20 inches, okay, by 13 inches, so it will fit the bigger microwave. Okay, look at all the cabinets, back on this side and back on the other side too, all the same. Okay, 30 inches, 24 inches cabinets, plenty of space, and also the countertop here, you know, all the drawers on both sides. Okay, fantastic fan right here. Okay, this is rain sensor, fantastic fan, and it has its own light, LED light if you want to need more light, I don't know. And then it has its own cover, okay, in case you don't need sunshine while you're sleeping, you can close that and you got the 100% blackout. Okay, you guys, next here between the seat, the bench seat and the shower here, it's got little space right here, 24 or 28 inches here, so it's plenty of space to put your luggage here, or you know, any box storage container fits here, or just being a seat like right here for an extra person, you know, just to hang around, I guess. And it's also, the refrigerator is underneath here. Okay, this is a 45 quarts refrigerator. Okay, all you have to do is remove this. Okay, you got a dual zone refrigerator. Okay, you can make one side a freezer and set to set one side. Oh, this is a 40 quart, my bad, 40 quarts, not 45. I mixed up with the older one. And this is removable. Okay, easy to clean. Okay, and you can set it to freezer and regular refrigerator. Okay, and this thing is a 12 volt, 24 and a 110 capability, so you can move around, take out anywhere along with you. It has wheels. Okay, otherwise it can stay here. This is very convenient. Even though I didn't finish sewing this side yet. Okay, so this piece is supposed to be the removable cushion. Okay. Here's our swivel table. Okay. In case you need another, you know, extra space right here to put stuff on while cooking, you can do that. Or I have this step here for multiple purposes. Or you can just remove it out completely. Okay, and it still fits bin storage down there. Or if not, this is what it's for. You know, when it's there, you can step on it and to get on the bed, since the bed is 32 inches high. Or you can, this is like a you know, another step to get in here, relax, or just pull this over, and this is your workspace. You know, put laptop here, workspace, or your meal table. You know, another person there, another person right here. You can use the table, or just swivel it out of the way. Okay, see, very cool. I like this feature. Okay, so this van has 375 watts, 75 amps of seal HEM battery, and 300 watts solar panels with the 60 amp DC to DC charger, 30 amp of MPPT solar charge control, Victron, 3000 watt inverter. Okay, one more thing before I let you go, guys. This van on the back also has the external shower head spray, hot and cold water as well. Yeah, on the back. So, and yep, that's it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit longer than I thought, but yeah, a lot of features. So thank you so much for watching. This is Bo. I hope to see you next video. Please subscribe, please share. Thank you. Bye bye.